My name is not David, I'm Basti, hello.
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right.
Hey guys, what am I doing? I'm working on small overhaul of our rotation. We want the player to be in the other veil, so in the fifth dimension of the game, and only after.
Spoiler?
Huh?
Isn't it a spoiler?
Is it a spoiler? I don't know.
Okay, we cut it.
So normally when we try to rotate, we still see all of the other realms of the rotation. But what we try to do is that when you rotate, you don't see the other realms. Only after you land, then the realm gets faded in. So yeah, that's a concept we want to prototype and see if it's something we can develop further. Yes.
Yeah, I'm working on the second mini-boss and we changed some things. Yeah, this enemy has like 3 phases and we changed like the last one where he screams and destroy the icicles. We do it in a slightly different way. And yes, that's what I will do right now and what I will do this week. Yes.
Okay, so I'm right now in the sprint where we want to make our Steam page, and since there are very few artists on the team, they put me in job of the making. Yeah, what I did first right now is to gather some references from already like popular and well done Steam capsule art, because with no great reference there will be no great product. So since I gathered the references, I will now start to sketch my first drafts and see what type of composition we want for Steam capsule art. Right now it's just all the store assets. Yeah, you will see probably maybe some sketches here and here. Or not, maybe not, who knows.
What have you done?
I've changed the gear system.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a new way to customize. You have to, like, if you collect it, you have to choose if this ability is your auto attack, your ability or your ultimate. And the way you choose the ability is going to change. So now this one is like, if I click this, it's the auto attack. If I click this, it's the ability. And if I click this, it's the ultimate. And now I choose that it's the auto attack. And if I equip it,
Imagination.
I'm not a UI. And now it's just a auto attack.
Yeah, and basically, like, the attack changes a little bit depending on the slot you have it in. For example, you just saw it that it was the auto attack, so it had like 1 bullet flying, right? And if you chose it for ability, there are like 3 bullets flying. They're faster or a bit bigger, and they cost mana, and the auto attack generates mana. And also, like, if you choose the ultimate, it becomes like massive orbs that like go through the enemies and stuff and like kill the whole screen basically.
Yeah, so now I choose the ability, or choose the same thing as an ability. I equip it, and now it's like a bit different.
Yeah, that's like basically now 2 bolts flying faster, and they cost mana, deal more damage, of course. Yeah, you can further customize all of your skills. Whoever had this great idea, genius.
And now like.
Okay, but now imagine these balls are like that big, okay?
A lot of imagination here.
It's working.
Yeah?
That's
All I have to do.
You know, imagination, that's how a dream starts.
Yeah. So, hello friends. We are again reworking the inventory and the whole UI. Quickly show concepts that we had. So basically we have those tabs at the top, and each tab has its own page. For example, here's like the character preview and this little concept of the gear inventory and the rune equipment. And I basically just worked on tab view, which is not working right now. Wait a second. Warum geht es jetzt nicht? Nico, Hilfe. Oh, Bruder. All planned. Not much to see yet. We have then these tabs with the different content inside it, and basically I just finished.
Hi guys, quick update on the UI. We managed to lay out the UI and made the first like little animations and just to show how it will look in the end. We'll collect some gears here. We have like these tabs that I already showed with these coming soon. This will be like the rough layout of the character overview where we have like the stats here and movement abilities and the rotation ability with the modifiers here in this window. And then we have the gears right here. We have an overview of our gears in total that we have on the left side, and then with our equipped ones in the middle. And then here we will have all of our runes, just to look up how many of which rune we have and of the tiers. Yeah, exactly. That's basically it for now. And we'll continue filling it with the data and with the actual visuals. And
What are you doing with that camera in your hand?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm working on our first level. Doesn't it look pretty? It's like a we can't call it grey boxing, but it's like a grey boxing kind of thing with a lot of colors. And pretty much working on the first level. I'm always trying to improve my table where I get like a little, how do you call it, a red string you can follow, you know. I just plan out when which mechanic and enemy gets introduced and when we are revisiting enemies and which mechanics are fitting well together or which ones shouldn't be together and all that stuff. So I can just follow it while building the level. And how it's always the case, I had that part finished already, and then I reworked the table, and now I reworked the level so it fits the table again. It's like all that back and forth, but I think we are on a good direction. And I think with the help of the table, like when the table is well set up, I think the grey boxing will be much faster than expected. So looking forward to that.